Indian Inland Waterways Authority has declared three three jetties in River Sal and many more in other rivers of Goa. So we came to highlight that. We want to know where the jetties are coming up in River Sal. And what is the purpose of these jetties, whether it is for coal, whether it is for casino, or any other purpose.
Transform your home with Urban Concept Interiors. Visit us for a wide range of stylish and customizable furniture. We offer office chairs, modular kitchens, garden furniture, curtains, carpets, mats, sofas, dining sets, beds, and much more. Both indoor and outdoor furniture available. Our address is St. Joaquin Road, Borda, Margav, Goa, or call us at 9958733688 or 9845513777.
Because right now, panchayats have not been taken into confidence. Where the jetties are coming, or what is the purpose of the jetties. So, Captain so that he raises this issue in Parliament, in the forthcoming Parliament session, and brings it up. And we know what are the details of this. Second, another issue is there of Carmona, where there are violations of CRZ, okay, by Law Minister and Environment Minister. So we have brought that issue up also of Carmona, so that we are fighting for that also.
Sodan, river nationalization, आमच्यो सगल्यो सो न्हंयो सेंटराक दिल्यो तेन्ना जायते आमचे फिशरमॅन भाव had objection on this 2016 जेन्ना ह्यो न्हंयो सेंट्रलाक तेन्ना आमचे फिशरमॅन भाव we had put objection then कांय कारणाक लागून आज त्यो न्हंय सेंटराच्या ताब्यांत पडल्यो पूण आज आमकां गोमोंक आयलां की there are two private jetties which are coming in River Sal. आमचे हे बेनावली ब्लॉक जशें आमचो अबकीत ग्रेशियस सोलन तशेंच आमचे एक्स सरपंच आसा वर्गाचे and महिला प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ काँग्रेस. सो the issues आमचे MP कॅप्टन गिर्यातो बरे घेवन आयिल्ले to highlight this, and we will not allow this what is happening, what is going on, the destructive project. So we have decided to go in all the surrounding villages and all the panchayat which will be affected or which are adjacent on the banks of River Sal. So we will take these issues as a Congress party. We will take the issues in all the panchayat in Salset which will be affected in River Sal. So Gram Sabha resolution given, we will put objection
on the banks of River Sal, which is classified under 4A of the CRZ rules. He has asked to construct temporary enclosures in Khazan lands, which is completely in violation of CRZ rules and regulations of 2011. And that is why we have given a representation to the Honorable MP, so that can be taken up at the Parliament. Because it is conflict of interest. This guy is the Environment Minister and he is the Law Minister and he is violating this. This is constitutionally totally a violation of the Constitution.
A study करत जाल्यार the Environment Minister of Goa himself seems to be in violation. As of now I am saying seems to be. As per this I am convinced he has done massive violations in his property, violation of CRZ laws. I don't know what is Goa's Coastal Zone Management Authority doing about it. So I have promised them whatever possible we will pursue this thing. We cannot allow our environment, आमचो गोंयचो पळय environment आसा to destroy करपाक, and none other than the Environment Minister himself. So our team will be studying this, going through all the facts, what are the violations. They have, I believe, filed complaints. हाचे पयलीं 3 inspections जाल्यान आनी तरी पूण कांय एक्शन घेवना. That means crystal clear की Environment Minister आणि वो सरकार are misusing their power to legalize an illegal act, destroy करता आणि तरी पण agencies are not taking action. म्हणजे हातून we are seeing a clear case of destruction. I have promised them whatever possible. अशे तर लोक सगळे युनाइट आसत गांवचो जाल्यार आमच्यान एक एक गांव सेव करपाक जाता, केदोय व्हडलो सरकारचो. सो अशे आनी दुसरे आयल्यात केसी. देर आर सम थिंग्स हाचे पयलीं आनी एक आयिल्ली अबाउट सम जेटीज वीच आर कमिंग अप, नॉट ओन्ली हियर, शेलवण आनी कितें, विदाउट टेकिंग पीपल इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स. पंचायताक इग्नोर करतात. One of our gentlemen said, this is happening because Goa is the only state where 73rd and 74th amendment have not been implemented. There are 27 disciplines mentioned ki 73rd amendment or implement karit. 27 disciplines which will come under the control of the panchayat. म्हणजे कॉमन पंचायत म्हणजे कॉमन पर्सन, विलेजर्स, आम आदमी, तांच्या हातान येतलो पावर. तो कित्याक पावर दिनान, कित्याक असलें करपाक जाता म्हणून, डिस्ट्रॉय करूंक जाता म्हणून आपणाच्या ओन फायद्याक. सो एट वॉट एवर levels I will raise this issue.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.